We're here today in Snow White's Enchanted Wish attraction, where we've made some major changes. What's so special about this attraction is actually Walt Disney's first major animated picture, as well as one of the original attractions in Fantasyland the day that Disneyland opened. We had a complete remodel of Fantasyland in the early 80s. At that time, they changed the name from Snow White's Adventures to Snow White's Scary Adventures, but it still told very much the same story, which was a scary story.
We're finally giving Snow White the happily ever after that she deserves. We are putting the finishing touches on the attraction. The star of the show is Snow White, so we thought it would be really important to introduce her early on. So we have a new dancing Snow White character that actually now dances with Dopey, and the interaction between them as you move through the cottage is really kind of almost cinematic. We had a chance to really throw in a lot of spectacular magic in one scene in particular, and that is the dwarves' mine, where there are beautiful jewels everywhere, and you can see the dwarves actually at work in the mine. Of course, Dopey is kind of the rascal of the dwarves, and he's somehow gotten into the mine cart full of jewels and stuck a couple of them in his eyes.
Hi-ho, it's off to work we go.
We took the opportunity this time to repaint all of the exterior in warmer pinks and gold colors and maybe a cheerier blue, and made it feel happier. We are positive that the guests are going to be absolutely blown away by this dazzling new attraction and such a beautiful, sweet storyline.